Free online class for programming from Epitech. Introduction to HTML5. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of web page using markup. HTML elements are the building block of HTML page. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers don't display the HTML tag but use them to render the content of the page. Simple HTML document. The HTML content extension.html. Example explains the doc type HTML. Declaration define this document to be HTML5. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a last heading. The P element defines a paragraph. HTML tag. The HTML tag are element names surrounded by angle brackets. Tag name contain gas hairs. Closing text tag name. HTML tag normally comes in pairs. Last open tag P and closing tag P. The first tag in a pair is the start tag, and second tag is the end tag. The end tag is less than last the start tag, but with a forward slash inserted before the tag name. Tip: the start tag is also called the opening tag and the end tag, the closing tag. Web browser. The purpose of web browser, Chrome, IE, Firefox, Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them. The browser don't display the HTML tag but use them to determine how to display the document. The doc type declaration. The doc type declaration represents the document type and help browser to display web page correctly. It must only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tag. The doc type declaration is not case sensitive. The doc type declaration for HTML5 is doc type HTML. Thank you for your watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Free subscribe. Free online class for programmers. Welcome to Epitech.